My name's Owain, I'm 14, I live in Caerphilly, and this is my story.
We were driving down St Martin's Road, school rush hour. The van was coming up through Caerphilly, collided with the two cars, obviously resulting in Owain being mixed up and again caught. I immediately ran over to the scene of the accident. It looked like a bomb had gone off. It was destruction for a better word, it was chaos.
When we were sat there on the side of the road, you had Victoria was supporting Owain and comforted him. We had Ross dealing with one of the injuries, or myself dealing with another injury. We'd never met each other before, but we all just played our part and helped a really injured young man.
I think just seeing the accident, and it was maybe instinct, mother bird instinct come out, because I was quite protective over Owain when we were sat there. And I think just for us, we were in the right place at the right time.
As a result of the accident, I fractured my pelvis. I had a 30cm scar across my strongest thigh muscle, and then I had my foot amputated. I just remember staying calm and just doing what I had to do, really.
When the adrenaline had worn off, I kind of realised what just happened, and this little boy his life had changed forever.
Owain was a brave boy. He took everything in his stride. He's got a really positive attitude now. It's lovely to see, and I know he's going to do great things.
I consider Ross, Vicky and Stephen family. They helped me out a lot. It's a strong passion of love and just thankfulness.
Biggest reward for us is seeing Owain still here with us and his family has still got their child. That's a big thing for me.